Hey there, welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to solve 25 squared in this fast and simple trick. So let's get to it. We take 2, which is the first digit, and square it. 2 squared gives us 4, so we can write 4 here. Now the next thing we do is take the next number, which is 5. 5 squared gives us 25. We can combine 25 with 4. Now what can we do again? Multiply 2 by the 5 and all by the exponent. So basically we have 2 times 5, which gives us 10, times the exponent 2, which gives us 20. So we can write 2 0 and add a 0 at the end and sum it all up. 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 0 is 2, and 4 plus 2 is 6. So 25 squared is nothing else but 625. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye bye.